It's July 3rd. Tomorrow's July 4th. I don't know of any other way to celebrate freedom than. We're having way too much fun out here. It's been a beautiful day, actually. What? I can't hear you.
All right, guys.
You gonna take it on?
That's
You gonna take on this vlog?
I'm gonna just take on this vlog, guys.
All right.
This is awesome. What better way to celebrate freedom?
Guys, this is Brandon Groomer, great friend of mine. Known you since I was like 15,
Forever ago,
16.
Yeah, pretty much.
Been hanging out a long time. We had a great start to our Independence Day holiday. That was awesome, man. It was just nice to get out of the norm of things today, kind of blow off some steam, literally. You ready to try the booster board?
Yeah.
There he goes. Our city shoots fireworks tonight, so I figured I'd pull out the boosted board, ride around for a little bit, and vlog around the neighborhood. It's been a pretty good day so far. Had some fun shooting guns this morning. So a lot of people come out to our neighborhood to hang out and watch the fireworks because it's a pretty good location. So we usually just hang out in front of the house and watch the fireworks. I'm gonna ride out to another location right now where a lot of people do go and watch the fireworks. Usually I can't drive to this location because the traffic gets so backed up. Besides it being hot and humid here, it's actually a pretty nice evening. So this is the area where most people come out and hang out to watch the fireworks. But we usually avoid this area because you can barely get in here. But I figured, hey, I have the boosted board, so I'll come at least check it out. So it looks like fun, looks like a lot of people just hanging out. But I do have to say that I'm very thankful that I can just walk out my front door and watch these fireworks. I don't have to deal with the traffic and everything. So I'm gonna head back to the house and we're gonna watch some fireworks. So it's really cool to see everybody hanging out in the neighborhood. This is like the one time a year where you actually get to meet all your neighbors, get to talk to all your neighbors, and kind of catch up. So it's kind of fun once a year to actually see the neighbors. You guys ready to see fireworks?
Yeah!
Yeah! You ready to see fireworks?
Yeah!